Pictures of what? Oh, with the band?
Us playing this, we supposed to do some kind of deal in March.
What are you doing?
It just, I don't know what it is. Ain't no money involved.
Oh, you guys just doing a charity thing?
And I told him I'd do it.
Well, that's cool. How long you guys got to play?
I don't think too long, maybe a couple hours or something like that.
Oh.
That, boy we trying on the bass, something. He does alright sometimes, he don't do that great.
You need me to move down there and play bass for you?
I need somebody that can remember his damn name. Last Saturday was over there playing Saturday night a little bit.
Yeah.
And he passed right out. We took a break. And he told Eric before we quit to take a break, he was feeling real hot and nauseous feeling. So I was in the living room talking to Scott and Skeeter and his brother and all of them, just running my mind. Eric said he's hot feeling. That boy walked outside and then when he come back in, he sat on the stool there at the bar. Eric was in there with him, and I was in there with Scott and him. I heard Eric get a hollering for us, and we went in there, and he piled it in the floor.
Huh.
He blacked out for some reason, but he's been having, I think, a little trouble with his heart, some blockage or something that they've been. I don't know if that had anything to do with it or.
Well, hopefully you don't pass out while you guys are playing.
Alright. Back in the day when Wayne and them had a soul band, they had a band. It's about 9 heads in the band, they had horn sects and all that.
Yeah.
The black boy played the saxophone. They played some pretty good shows, pretty big shows back then.
Yeah.
And Wayne said they was playing at some big deal. He said he seen the boy laying in his head wrong back. He thought he was doing it, to play the saxophone. Then he kept wrong gun, he fell right on over. He had one of them, what do you call them, epilepsy fits he used to have.
Seizure?
Yes.
That I used to have. I never had no seizure.
Huh?
Oh, mom had or something?
No, it was a boy that was playing music.
Oh, had seizures?
Yeah. He had one while they was on stage. One of them, he was chewing his tongue and stuff. One of them tried to move his tongue, stuck their finger in his mouth, and he liked to bend it off.